What's up? If you are new here, my name is Shayna Renee and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. I put out new beauty/lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you guys are definitely not going to want to miss the bomb content I have coming for you guys in 2019. I have a lot of surprises in store for you guys, so definitely subscribe to me, hit that little bell of notification so you get notified when I post new videos. Today's video, oh my gosh, I got my first PR package ever. So Influenster was kind enough to select me for one of their Vox boxes. If you guys don't know what Influenster is, I will tell you guys right now. Influenster is an app that you can review all sorts of beauty products, you can review skincare products, you can review anything on there. You can make yourself a profile, you can create a profile on there, and then you can also get sent free products like inside Vox boxes just like this. And yeah, basically what Influencer is just an app, and they send out boxes called Vox boxes every month to individuals that they select. So they select people, and I got notified via email, and they email you and say you're in, you get a Vox box, and they do just send these out just randomly. So that is how I got this Vox box for free. You do have to have kind of a social media following. I don't really have a big social media following right now, but I did upload it's called a score to your Influencer profile. So I have like a score of like 7,000 I think right now. But they do still send you stuff even if you do have a smaller influence like I do. So that's really cool. I'm really thankful to Influencer. Thank you so much, Influencer, for sending this Vox box out to me. I'm definitely going to review this product the best I can, give you guys the best review of this product because I'm super thankful to have been sent this. This is amazing. I just can't believe I was sent a Vox box and I'm such a small influencer. And yeah, basically what an Influencer Vox box is a box of free full-size products. So they sent me, today I'm going to be reviewing the new Kaja roller highlighter. They do send out different products every month, and I believe this is not out in stores yet, this Kaja roller highlighter. I'm pretty sure this is a new release that hasn't been released yet. So yeah, they do send you new releases of products, which is really cool. I love that because as a smaller influencer, I don't really get big PR packages yet, so getting small PR packages is a good start. Sometimes these boxes are based on a theme, but sometimes they're a single product. Like today is a bigger product, it's the roller highlighter. It's kind of just based on what they are going to send out that month, if you get a themed box or if you get a single product or not. I'm pretty sure you can get more than just beauty and skincare and makeup. I think you can get like household items, clothes from Influencer. I'm pretty sure they send out like different things like that. Don't quote me on that, I'm not for sure, and yeah, once you receive a Vox box, you can either make an Instagram post about it, hashtag it on social media, make a Twitter post about it, review it on Influencer. There's a lot of options you can do. You can make an unboxing video on YouTube. The more that you do, the better your chances are of getting another Vox box in the mail for next month. So yeah, that's just a little bit about Influencer, what they are, what they do. They just help smaller influencers out. Not a lot of people know about Influencer, which is like insane because you can get free, if you're a small influencer like I am, you can get free products and you don't have to be on the big PR package lists. You can still review new products and get them sent to you, but it's just this way instead of doing it like through Morphe or something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this roller highlighter before we get to swatching it and reviewing it. So this roller highlighter is from Kaja Beauty. This is a brand new item, like I said, and I'm reading from Influencer's website. It says, Kaja's Roller Glow Highlighting Balm takes highlighting to the next level. The product comes with a tool that looks like a mini painter's roller. The Polly Pocket-esque highlighter is housed in a bright pink box and is super fun to play with. Use the roller applicator to apply the duochrome highlighter and watch as the creamy balm texture transforms into a lightweight powder. Ooh, whoa! Made with ruby powder, it toggles between a gold and rose gold sheen depending on how the light hits. The result, a multi-dimensional and ultra-reflective finish that just melts onto the skin. Ooh, this sounds super interesting. I was super excited when I learned that I was getting this roller highlighter in the mail. I was super excited and interested. I'm like, I'm so ready to make this video. So it says, let's get rolling, ready for some sparkle, apply on bare skin or on top of makeup to add instant shimmer. Need some guidance? Here are some tips on how to use the roller glow. Disco Flash. For a soft, uniform glow, roll the highlighter on in a C shape starting from your brow bone and ending at your cheekbone until you achieve the desired glow. Spotlight. To amp up the highlight on certain areas, concentrate your cheekbones and arches and light it up, which is use fingers to warm balm and apply to the collarbone and shoulders. We can't wait to see how you choose to glow. I'm so excited. Okay, now that we know a lot about the product and what it's supposed to do, let's just open her up. Isn't this a cute box, by the way? I think this is such a cute box. Like, they did such a good job. Oh my gosh. It's so windy right now, guys. Like, if you can't hear that, I'm surprised because it's really windy. So let's just do this. Ah, guys, here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, so it says Roller Glow Roll-On Highlighting Balm. This is $28 and it says try our silky balm highlighter made with pink ruby powder for a duochrome radiance that flatters all skin tone. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. You guys see that? That's so cute. I love it already. So the packaging, it's got like this sleek, it's not like a cardboard, it's almost like a plastic type feel. And then it has little bubble letters right here that are kind of raised up. It's got pastel pink and then it changes to pastel green over here. The shade name is Cosmic Laundry. I'm not kidding. Cosmic Laundry. What? What's that name though? Ah, look at this, it's so cute. It's such a tiny little roller. It looks like a paint roller. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and soft. Okay, so it's got like a little roller here. It's really soft. It says Kaja on it. Baby up. And here it is, guys. The roller highlighter. I'm pretty sure you could just, oh, it comes with an extra roller? Wow. Okay, so it's got a mirror up here and it comes with an extra roller. So I have two rollers, so if one gets dirty or gross, I can just throw it out and use this one. That's awesome. Here's the highlighter. I know you guys, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so it's basically like, it looks like a yellow type highlighter. So I'm just going to, oh, it's so buttery. Wow. If you guys can see that on my finger, that's the swatch on my finger. And it says it's a balm, so it's kind of buttery, but it goes on and is like a powder finish. So when I was swatching this highlighter, going like this, it's so shimmery and like on your finger, you guys, if you guys can tell, this is what my regular hand looks like. This is what the highlighted hand looks like. It's not like super pigmented, but it makes your skin really glowy and radiant, which is amazing. This is a good like overall body highlight. Like if I was wearing a crop top, I could highlight my collarbone. Okay guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm just rolling it around, getting all that pigment in there, in the little sponge on the roller. I'm just gonna try. It says to roll it like this. You kind of just roll it along your... I don't really see a difference when I do this. Maybe I'm not doing it right. It may look a little more illuminated, but not too much. Okay, so I guess what you're supposed to do with this is just roll it like this first. Okay, so you guys can see the difference. This is the one I just used, and this is the one that is new. You guys can definitely see it picked up a lot of my foundation. That could just be the foundation I'm wearing, but it definitely picked up a lot of my foundation off of right here, and it didn't really put down any of the highlighter like it claims. But let's just see if we get better results, like, because it says you can do it with your fingertips too. You don't have to use the roller, and when you do use your fingertips, it's really pigmented. So let's just see how this works. Oh yeah, that's way better. Like, you can totally see that now. That is beautiful. So the overall, the product itself is great. The highlighter itself is amazing and very pigmented. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I mean, if you wanted like a super like natural highlight, I guess you could use the roller, but I like my highlighter to be shining to the gods, like, you know what I'm talking about. So I do like this consistency. It's very creamy and buttery and nice and soft. I love the consistency. And it does have like a little bit of a rose gold shimmer like after the fact, which is really pretty. Okay, I'm just taking a tiny bit and putting it on my nose. I like that. I like how it came out. It's definitely radiant. It's definitely shimmery and dewy. Now I'm just gonna see how this highlighter applies with a brush. I just have this little highlighter brush here from B&H Cosmetics set that I have. And I'm just gonna take a tiny bit with my brush, just kind of dab it all in there. I'm gonna take it on my other hand. That applied really pretty. That's really pretty. You guys can tell. You can definitely tell that it applies well with the brush too. This is more of a spot highlight, like you have to really concentrate it in one area. It's not like a powder highlight in that you can kind of just put it anywhere you want. You kind of just have to concentrate it and build it up in one area first. Which, as a highlighter, I don't mind that because usually I only do it right here and here anyway. But for some people might not like that. And definitely some people might not like the packaging because it does kind of look like little kiddish a little bit. When I opened it up, I didn't really expect to see like it have this little door thing right here. Like, it's just a weird packaging in general, but the packaging box it comes in is really pretty. The overall pigment is really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but in person, in real life, this is so pretty. It looks rose gold and it's really pretty and it's luminescent. You can definitely tell I'm wearing highlighter. Yeah, just the roller basically is kind of pointless. You can use it if you want to, if you really want to, but it's basically pointless. It didn't really work for me, and it just kind of took my foundation up instead of putting the highlighter down. So I was kind of disappointed about that, but that was pretty much my review of the new Kaja roller highlighter. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It was kind of iffy. I don't know. The roller just, it doesn't work. It doesn't work like it's claiming to, but the pigment and the overall product itself is beautiful. I'm impressed with the overall product, but I'm not impressed that the roller doesn't work. I think they could have made something, or they could have just left the roller out of it and made a balm type highlighter, and it would have been way better. But that is pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Definitely let me know down in the comments if you like this video or not. It's just a different video. Thank you again to Influencer for sending me this product to review on my channel. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this product review, and if you would like me to do more, I will definitely do more because this was so much fun. And Kaja, your roller doesn't work, but your highlighter was bomb. So I'll give you that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me. Like, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much, and I want you to comment down in the comments below, highlight to the gods, because we all want to highlight to the gods, and you can definitely achieve that if you use this right. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!